Hey guys, Colin here and welcome to Center Life Balance. In this video, I'm going to give you some short instructions about single-handed silk reeling. Silk reeling is something that is very much part of Tai Chi and not so much part of Qigong. One of the key components for silk reeling is a bit like when you want to pull silk from a silkworm. The idea with getting the silk thread from the silkworm is that you need to pull the silk at a very continuous pace. If you stop and then start again, you break the thread. Also, if you try to suddenly pull too quickly, you break the thread. So with silk reeling, what we want to do is keep the movements continuous and without stop. I'll demonstrate the movement for you now. For silk reeling, we're going to start with the feet together. Check your body is straight, head suspended from above. We're going to bring the right hand up to the waist like this, and then sinking the weight, we're going to lift the heel of the left foot and bring the left hand up in front of the body like this. Next, we're going to step out to the side. It's important to ensure that the heels are on the same line with this movement. You don't want to have your foot forward like this or backward. It's got to be straight out to the side. So from here, we're going to turn the body and now bending the left leg, shifting the weight over to the left. This is the beginning position for the movement. So with silk reeling, for single-handed, we begin by bringing the elbow in to here and then shifting the weight over to the right, arm follows the body. Then we're going to turn slightly, bringing the hand up in front of the body and now shifting back over to the left again. Now I'm breaking up this movement just to demonstrate the main components, which is shifting the weight, turning the hand and turning the body, shifting the weight, then turning the hand, bringing the elbow in. So when we continue with the movement, we want to get the least amount of resistance as we go through, just continuing to move slowly and at the same pace. Now when you're doing your silk reeling or your Tai Chi, you don't want to have your head moving all over the place. The head should basically stay with the body and stay in alignment with the movement that you're doing. You won't want to be looking over here as you move your hand by. It's just going to cause the alignment to go out. So keeping everything proportionate to the movement. When you're ready, you can switch to the other side, putting the left hand on the left waist and shifting the weight to the right. Now you might want to change your feet slightly when you change sides. Bringing the elbow in now on the right, shifting the weight to the left. We have a slight turn here and then shifting the weight back to the right. So as you're doing this movement, you want to avoid the mistake of bringing the hand in too close to the body. You don't want to feel any crushing here in the upper chest area. You want to ensure that you're keeping a bit of space between the arm and the upper body. Even when you come in here, you want to still ensure that you're keeping some space under the arm, not crushing it underneath. As you change from side to side, you want to try and keep the spine as straight as you can. You don't want to be tipping your spine this way or that way. It's really trying to maintain your alignment. And when you're finished with the movement, you can just step in to the same side that your hand is on, like this, bringing the hands down to the side. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about single-handed silk reeling, please post your comments below, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.